Right, I'm going to show you how to make your own silver polish at home. It's so easy, it's ridiculous. You need 2 ingredients: bicarbonate of soda, we call it in the UK, baking soda, you call it in America, and some hot water, warm will do. And of course, you need a manky old bit of silver. Here's a 100-year-old piece of solid British hallmarked silver. Here, it's a candlestick lamp, and it is manky. Feast your eyes on the dirt and the grime. I'm going to transform it in a moment. Right, here we go. So we need cloth, bicarbonate of soda, a small spoon, teaspoon, and you need 3 parts bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, and 1 part hot or at least warm water. So 3 tablespoons, 1 part hot water, and mix it. Now what you're looking for is a nice paste, smooth paste. I'm making plenty here because I'll do more silver. Get your fingers in. Oh. Right, this is the sort of paste consistency you're looking for. And look at that. Nice and easy to work, not too dry. There's your paste. That's your silver polish. Now, get a nice clean cloth, a big old dollop of your paste. I'm going to do half of this to show you the contrast. And here is the single stick. And just rub it in. Don't be afraid. It is a bit messy. It's all over the table, but who cares? I'll do those 2 panels. And I'll do half of the base as well. It's therapeutic, this. You can use your fingers. Sometimes with paste, it's easier to use your fingers. You can just kind of see exactly where it's going and get into those crevices. Basically draw a line in the dirt. Once the piece of silver is coming to life, as you can see it is coming to life, you get another cloth and a little bit of warm water and just dampen the cloth and wipe away all of the residue baking soda. Get rid of that, first of all, or roughly, and then take a dry cloth, any cloth, old t-shirts always work very well, and buff away. And I will reveal the results. And after just a few moments, here you have it. So polished base and non-polished base. Take a closer look. You can see, can't you? I mean, it's very satisfying to do this. And if I just turn it around a little bit, you can see the line I drew there. Left-hand side polished, right-hand side not polished, in a matter of seconds. And now I'll continue with the rest. But for you, it's as simple as that.